So the salmon is really quick. It's just my sambal salmon. Salmon sometimes can, if you're gonna microwave things, it might perfume the room. And you'd made a comment that I actually saw online a week later, and I caught it, where sometimes in Asian cooking, to remove that smell, they remove that fatty layer of the skin, and they do it by pouring hot water over the top.
Boiling water.
Oh, interesting.
So I've just turned this over, so it's skin side.
Wow,
curl
look
up.
at that. Yeah.
Hot water over the top.
Oh, wow, look at it, curl up.
You can see it kind of curl up a bit there.
You
And
go,
then
it's
look how
magic.
easily
What? Oh,
Look at
look at that.
and
Just
then
like
just
nothing.
peels
Oh,
right
wow.
off.
Look at that.
Look at that. So, Katie, I'm gonna put this over
Yeah.
here and give that a go.
And I think a lot of people get intimidated of cooking fish at home, and salmon is such a great place to start.
It really is. Good in the freezer, good in the, if you go by the fishmonger and he's got all the salmon laid out. And then if you could just salt and pepper on both sides. And we're gonna get this into the pan. I'm gonna make a quick brush that you kind of do a quick marinade, okay? So we're gonna start with some honey and a little bit of soy sauce. To that, I'm gonna add in some lemon juice. Sambal.
Sambal.
Yeah.
Yeah, I
So
love it.
that's what I'm adding here. It's just chili sauce. Then just get in here and whisk it up. And after you've got the salmon salted and peppered on both sides, this is a good marination. And then also I love to kind of brush it over the top as I'm doing a pan saute, just to get that last second caramelization of the sugars.
Zash.
You guys are going in on those cucumbers over there, huh?
Well, honestly, watching you make this is making me hungry.
Yeah. And just kind of hit this. After you've got the salt and pepper on it, over the top. This is gonna sit on the back counter, room temp, 10, 15, 20 minutes. I'll show you what that looks like. Coming right over here.
Well, Sunny, I'm gonna have to put this on my Instagram because I am constantly getting messages from people wanting salmon recipes. So
Yeah.
you're giving the people what they want.
That's right. I think salmon is like the second coming of chicken on foodnetwork.com. Just a little bit of olive oil down. It's a nonstick pan, so I'm not super worried. And I like to get it
Nice.
curved side down. All right. So I'm just gonna let these cook on both sides while I'm basting it with our sauce that we marinated it in. And now I'm ready to top it like it's hot. I've just taken the rest of that sauce and kind of reduced it down. No big deal. I'm just gonna pour it over the top. And I love to give a flip, so these were cooked on both sides. Yeah, why not, right?
That looks like a really
Shiny
rich
salmon.
glaze.
Sign me up.
Seepage. So Katie is hooking up one of the things that I love to put into a rice bowl or a grain bowl, a little bit of fresh crunch. So it's a Granny Smith apple. You just peel it, and I always feel like it goes very well with a little bit of broccoli. So I've got a steam bag of broccoli that I've steamed. And then I've got some rice that I microwave. Gee, Z, if it's okay for you to microwave salmon, I figure I can microwave some vegetables. Is that okay?
Yeah, I mean, dare I say you could potentially make this meal entirely in the microwave.
Or all on a sheet pan.
Yeah, that would be great as well.
Oh.
So just get it out, hit with a little bit of olive oil.
Sunny, I love a healthy meal like this that's so easy to put together. You
Yeah.
come home from work and you want something
Yeah.
that's fast, delicious, and healthy. This is
I
it.
agree. I love something that just comes together really, really fast. And then this is just Thai jasmine rice. Listen, microwave rice has come a long way.
Heck yeah, man.
There's
the texture.
quinoa, there's wild rice blends, there's so many
Where do you
different
find that?
medleys. So you're gonna go into the aisle that has like the packets that you microwave, like the mashed potato packets. Sometimes it's in the same aisle with the spices, just at the end of that aisle.
Is it frozen or freezer section?
No, it's shelf stable, so you just put it in your pantry and it's good to go whenever you want it.
There are frozen varieties, though. You get a really great texture of them. I was surprised. We have them all the time. Should try
Look
it
how
once
quick
in a
that
while.
is. And usually it's
Be so
like a 60
close-minded.
or a 90-second situation and you're good to go. So now I've got all of my parts. I've got my rice, I've got my broccoli, I've got my apples.
This looks delicious.
a little spritz moment right here.
This
just
looks
go
like
ahead and
Iris
build
would
it.
like this, no?
Uh-oh.
Yeah.
Except the
She doesn't
broccoli.
eat
Bring it up. Why
And
you bringing
she
it up?
doesn't eat rice, actually.
Oh,
Yes.
no.
Oh, that'll change.
I mean, that's
Sushi's
okay.
coming.
She's
Yeah.
young.
Sushi's
and
coming.
Just a good amount of that Thai jasmine rice. And then I like to go in over the top. Let me get a spout. I can use this. Big old piece of that
look at that.
salmon.
Oh, baby.
Yum.
All right.
Power.
That's a
That
bowl
over the
for the
top.
ages.
Some of the crisp, fresh. And also, I love a bowl because you can kind of compartmentalize.
Yeah, I
and
love that
mix it
too.
together if you want.
Yep.
And everybody can customize their own.
Yeah. And then some broccoli. Real simple. You can also choose to do a nice little spritz of lemon over this, but I kind of like to serve it with the lemon, and you can spritz as you please.
I mean,
And there you have it. My
Beautiful.
salmon bowl.
all right, let me see what's
Mangiati,
doing.
mangiati.
Slide that baby down.
Look how beautiful that is.
Look at the beautiful.
Yeah, easy.
Remember, I mean, everything in here is very healthy. The salmon's full of omega-3s, good fats, great source of protein, and it's from the sea, Jeffrey. This reminds us of our like Monday night salmon we always make. Right? Sarah makes, right? Slightly sweet, spicy topping. You can do it in the microwave, you can do it in the broiler, do it in the pan, do it wherever, but if you cook it to this perfect medium temp, it's juicy throughout. This is